If you remember, a few months back I came here and I showed how they took out a good portion of the Dragon's Lair miniature golf course. This guy remembers, right? You remember the miniature golf course. You remember the dragon, right? Yeah, he remembers. This is what's taking the place of it. It's starting to take shape. Last time we were here, it was just steel. Let's take a look around. Now this Big D Theater is closed. You can see this is where the tower was with the dragon in it, and over here is what we're told is going to be a motion theater. You can actually take a little look inside here. Not much to see at the moment. I find it a little funny that we have a IMAX theater, Big D theater, whatever you want to call it, closed right here. Over here we have a Magi Quest, originally a butterfly pavilion, closed. And then over here we're building a whole new building for a theater of some sort. They actually drained this portion of the miniature golf moat in order to facilitate the construction activities here. You might have thought that the whole golf course was closed. It's not the case. There were two mini golf courses here, one of which is still operating right over there. So have no fear. If you have memories of Dragon's Lair mini golf course, you can still come here. There just won't be a dragon. This guy has retired. He has gone to dragon heaven.
Is that wind? Sorry, everyone. I can't come out in that wind. It would blow me right out of the turret. Anyway, it's good spooky.
So the dragon still talks, but he's not here.
Not good for Alfred, the brave and fiery guard dragon.
I guess it's the ghost of the dragon.
I say, you are a big bully, and I don't like it. If a little wind blows my flame off, a great wind will blow their volcanoes out. Oh, great magician Avalon, bring on the wind and blow their fire out.